In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Zendesk API. We're going to walk through how to create a secure API token in Zendesk so your integrations and automations can talk to your help desk without sharing a password. You'll need access to the Zendesk support interface and permission to manage admin settings. Keep in mind that an API token carries the same permissions as the user who creates it, so plan to store it safely and limit access. Start in your Zendesk workspace. At the very top of the page, open the drop-down menu in the header. This is the menu that also holds your profile and product settings. From that menu, choose the Admin Center to switch into the area where global settings are managed. In the Admin Center, look to the left-hand navigation and find the section labeled Apps and Integrations. This is where you control how Zendesk connects to other tools and where developer-facing options live. Open it to view the integration options available to you. Next, go to the API Tokens area. Depending on your layout, this may appear under an API's heading or within the integrations pages. API tokens are a simple, secure way to authenticate server-to-server calls without using a password, and they're ideal for scripts, middleware, and backend services. Create a new token by selecting the option to add an API. A form will appear asking for details. Give the token a clear, specific description that explains its purpose, such as the system or workflow it will power. A strong description makes it easy to audit and rotate tokens later. When you're ready, save your changes using the button in the bottom right corner. Zendesk will generate the token immediately and present it on screen. This is the only time you'll see the full value. Click Copy to place the token on your clipboard. Right away, paste it into a secure location, like a secrets vault or password manager. Avoid storing it in documents, chat threads, or source code. If the token is ever lost or exposed, return to this same screen to revoke it and create a new one. Regular rotation is a good habit, and many teams create tokens tied to a dedicated service account with only the permissions the integration needs. When you're ready to make API calls, authenticate by using your account email with a token and include the token value as the credential. Always transmit requests over HTTPS. That's it. You've created, saved, and secured a Zendesk API token, and you're ready to connect your systems confidently.